Hi, I'm Noel from Datacoves, and I'm going to talk about dbt-coves, the tool we created that'll help you generate dbt properties and staging files. Um, so in another video, I showed how that all works, but one of the cool features that we built into dbt-coves is the ability to decide where files are generated. So if I go in here and I run the generate sources command, you will see where it will put that file, and you can see it comes from this line right here where we say the source destination. And in this case, I'm just saying that all my sources will go to the sources.yaml file. So I'm going to select two schemas here, and they're all the tables in the two schemas. It knows that they have variant fields, so it'll offer to flatten them. And there it goes. It created all of those files for us. So if we look at these green files, there's the sources YAML, and you can see here this one is coming from this schema from the raw database, and this one is coming from the same database for a different schema. And we also see here it created this folder with the actual model files, the staging model, and the YAML file that goes with it. Same with the loan. So let's just go ahead and delete this so that we can see it again. Delete this one. So now I'll go and show you that we have other ways that we can do this. I won't run through all of these, but you can see this one would essentially do the same thing. Create a source YAML file, but put it inside the schema directory. Or you can do what we prefer, which is also the default. This will make the the YAML file in the schema folder, and also give it the same schema name. And while we're at it, we can also show how we can decide where the properties files go. So here, instead of putting them together, I'll put the properties file inside a subfolder with the same schema name. So let's run this again. Select the same two schemas, all the files, yes to all. And so now, if we look here, we have the two staging models. There's the source file. All the properties files for those two models were put in here, and the same thing for this one. So this is how you can customize the destination of the generated staging models and source files. Thank you.